A great new feature in Adroit is the new AI assistant. This uses AI to search our extensive library of material that can put solutions and knowledge at your fingertips from within the Adroit Designer application. It is also useful to know that the AI assistant is also available on our website. Let's use a typical example where you might use the AI assistant. We are assuming that your PC has an internet connection, so let's get right to it. From in the Designer, say you were a first-time user and needed to know how to use the Agent Configurator. This is the application that allows you to configure, edit, and monitor your agents that form the I/O database, or in Adroit speak the WGP file. You open the Agent Configurator from the ribbon toolbar. To use the AI assistant, select the window on the right-hand side. It defaults to a dark theme, but you can change this by clicking on the theme icon. As you can see now, it is a light theme like by Designer environment. There is a text input field, and we are simply going to type, "How do I use the Agent Configurator?" and press Enter. The AI assistant goes off and collects relevant information that will guide you. As you can see, there is an explanation and some links to documents and even videos from our YouTube channel. Clicking on the Adroit Help index takes you to our help file. There could also be PDF documents available. However, for those that prefer watching a video, you can see there are videos available in the result. Clicking on the first one will launch the video from our YouTube channel, and you can even drag the window from its docked state so you can watch separately. If you want to put it all back together, click on the View tab and reset the layout. We hope you enjoy using the power of Adroit.